How you can fix Klarna when you see the error. We couldn't verify your personal details. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, double-check your details. Make sure your name, address, and date of birth match exactly with what is on your bank account or credit report. Even a tiny mistake can cause problems. Now use a valid ID. Klarna may ask you for a driver's license or a passport. If they do, upload clear pictures without any glare. After that, check your credit history. Klarna does a soft credit check, so if your credit file has wrong or missing information, it might cause the problem. You can update your details with the credit bureau if needed. Then, make sure you are using the right device and network. If you are on a VPN or public Wi-Fi, Klarna might block it. Try using your personal phone data or your home Wi-Fi. Next, try another payment method. If your linked bank account or card is not working, add a different one. Sometimes Klarna blocks payments for safety reasons, and if nothing works, reach out to Klarna support. They can help you and manually check your details. And that's it. That's how you can fix Klarna when you see the error. We couldn't verify your personal details.